Hi guys, today I am gonna show you guys that how you can clean your baseball shoe and two Nike shoes that you're gonna kill all the bacteria and cleaning nicely, and you can wear again new as like a new shoe. So first things that you need to have this kind of, it's 5 gallons container like this or 10. You just filling up with the water inside always, and so you have to fill it all the way here. Okay, let me open a little bit more. Yeah, it's gonna take time, but it's good to know how to clean the shoe. So that's a little bit more all the way up. Yeah, right there. I think it's more than enough. Yeah. As you see, that there's a bubbling here, but before, I prepared myself to washing the shoe. I add little bit of bleach, little bit, not that much, and also I add of this one, this powerful, clean, natural, fresh Arm & Hammer. Then this shoes goes inside of this container. It's gonna stay like maybe 1 day inside of this container. The other day, next day, you will take it out and put it in the washing machine. That you can make it more cleaner. Okay, now I'm closing. See you tomorrow. It's gonna stay 1 day. So, hi guys. This yes, 1 day the shoes are stayed here. I just put this rock on top of the shoes and they can stay inside the bucket. So I'm taking the stones, and then one by one I am taking all the shoes outside. So you're gonna take all the shoes outside. Then we will put the washing machine. So I prepared the water before. That just you're gonna put the warm to cold, and water is on small loader, and here you are, water almost right there. So shoes are here, and I'm gonna put all inside, of course, one by one, and put a little bit of detergent, anything what you have. I have now this, and I will add a little bit, and after that I'm gonna start the machine. Now here you are, everything inside. I'm going to start it. Start it and close it. Then let it wash. Maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Yeah. Here it is. Now it's washed and nicely. Look at this now.
Donna, do you want to have a soup?
Look at this.
No! Chicken soup?
so clean.
Chicken soup?
I dare you!
So this is it. And you put the outside and under the sun, it's gonna dry. Blessing, bye.